Me explain the third and most important lesson, and then to make sure you understand this, I'm going to combine all three of these concepts into one example. Okay, so for the third lesson of price action, we need to understand, are we reacting to the market or are we predicting the market? So there is a very big difference if I'm coming into the day with a bias that I need to go long on the market compared to a thesis. So if I come into the day and this is pre-market and you can see that the stock is moving to the upside, and I say that I need to go long on the pre-market high retest because once again, this is pre-market high, and I need to go long on this retest for continuation because that is my strict bias and I will only go long on this position today. Well, that is not me reacting to price. That is me predicting price. So let's see what happens when I predict price. All we're going to do is mark out the pre-market high. And once again, all we need is the pre-market high retest, and that's what we're looking for. And in this example right here, what happens? Well, you can actually see we just made an external high. We came back and we're actually retesting the pre-market high with strong price action. You can see buyers stepping in with the strong up close candle. So this actually looks like a good entry model. And this pre-market high was the previous external high, which is now the internal high as well. Based off the last two steps that I explained in this video, this is actually a good setup that we can look for a high of day and this external high. And this gives us about a 2.5 risk to reward trade. So for this trade, we're risking about $680 to make $1,750. This is a good trade. Let's see what happens. Unfortunately, we just lost the trade. Now, this was a good trade, but we still lost it. Why? Because trading is all probabilities. Our job as a trader is simply to try to get the highest probability trades, but that does not mean we're going to have a 100% win rate. Every single trader will lose at one point. And in this example, this was a good trade. It was a good thesis, but it simply didn't work.